a movie now. It's playing.
I want to see.
Oh my gosh, guys, be careful. Okay,
You're not done
again, Rach.
I'm taking it.
Right now.
To the ball.
Nice one.
I hit again. Feel my hypocrite. Hey.
They're not mine, brother.
Hey. Alex. Come on, get it back.
Wow, this is scary.
Calm down, man.
Okay, do that little thing where you try to kill yourself again. That was funny.
Give us the ball now.
He's gonna actually kill himself.
Oh, that actually didn't fail. Okay.
Nut job, people.
No,
These are normal people.
Nikki!
Whoa.
Flee the crime scene!
Aha. Okay, let's see.
That hit you. Did you get us going back and forth?